Speedy 25 in the multicolor from Takashi Murakami, and the collab with LV. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy. For those who don't know me and those who are returning, thank you so much for your support. In today's video, I wanted to show you a better review of this gorgeous Speedy 25 in the multicolor from Takashi Murakami, and the collab with LV. So I want to show you up close because in my previous video, I did a quick showing you what I had gotten as I was stepping out the house really quickly, so I didn't have time to show you more details and show you what I can fit in this bag, but I did promise to come back and do that. So here we are, and I want to introduce yourself. In case you don't know, this is painting my glam daughter. And I am her grandma. So she wanted to show you this little bag. This is the Speedy Nano in the multicolor as well.
This is the version of that one. And like you can see the big difference because it's a mini version. But they're kind of the same thing. And they call it a Speedy Nano 25 because this one is 25 centimeters. And this one is...
We'll insert the centimeters right here. So right here, right now, we're gonna insert the detailed review of this bag as well as what I can fit in this bag. So let's get right into the video. Pardon my nails, they are horrible. I just took off all my press-ons just to give my nails a break. So please, no judgment on my nails. So I wanted to show you an up close of this precious bag. She is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love her. I wasn't gonna really pick her up, but I just thought that she is gorgeous. Again, these colors up on the white canvas is just, they pop. And I think this will be a statement for the summer, for me anyway, because I wear a lot of bright colors in the summer, and I think that this is gonna be that bag that I'll really use a lot during the summer. I love the details of the trunk at the bottom. Love it, love. And I love the placements of the monogram. It looks so beautiful. I think my favorite color is this right here, but then again, this right here. So yeah, I am fully invested into this bag. It's a keeper, and I think she is gorgeous. So let me show you the strap. Then I have a few things to say about the strap. Of course, you know, we have the logos in, please, no judgment on my nails. The logos, and the strap is not adjustable or anything, so it's one piece. And what I have to say about this is that although it's perfect size on me, I think that they could have gone with a two-piece strap so that it would be more universal towards, you know, all heights and body types, because to me, I'm barely 5 feet. I love to say I'm 5 feet, but it fits perfect. It falls perfectly on my waist. But for example, for other people that might be taller, it'll be under the boobs, or probably, you know, who knows. But yeah, they should have went with a two-piece strap maybe on this one. And let's go into some details. As you can see, she has the 4 trunk type feet with an additional little rivets right there, which is great because this color, I could see that it can stain easily, and that it'll get dirty right away. So I think having these little 4 grommets right here, or corner hardware, will help, although I expect that these are gonna get scratched. As you can see, the front is gorgeous with this clochette and the bow, and I already put my keys in there because I love to keep my lock right here. That's where it'll live. But I don't think this is something that I will take off. I think this is gonna also live right here. I love that the hardware has right here some engraving that it also has, that I noticed this hardware right here is thicker, and it is also engraved with Louis Vuitton right here, and it's thicker. I noticed that it's way thicker. It is very, very thick, which is good because it'll last longer. Of course, we have the two rolled top handles. Zipper is delicious. And it's cream inside. The centimeters are 25, and it has, of course, this slip pocket with the beautiful leather tag right here. 20th year anniversary celebration, Louis Vuitton with Murakami, made in France, and all three little monsters, as I call them. So yeah, this is my new addition to my collection, and I don't know, I think I stopped right here for a long time. As you know, I've been doing a few unboxings here in my channel, and I think I've had enough for a while. So I think, you know, for a little bit I'm gonna stop with the unboxings. So let me show you what I will be carrying in this bag. Now that we are in spring officially, I'm gonna start using this bag, and hopefully I'll use it until the summer. So this is gonna be my everyday bag, and this here, I am gonna do apple guard on it. I know a lot of people say, oh, don't do that, but I am, because I wanna make sure she stays in really good condition. So I'm gonna start with this one right here. This is a Lilly Pultzer. This is a Lilly little bag. Look, I haven't even taken this off. I bought it specifically for this bag because I think that the bright colors for the summer are delicious. So this I'm gonna use as my makeup pouch. All right, so in here I'm gonna have all makeup, you know, that I use throughout the day, lotions and stuff like that. My bubble is in there, so this is gonna go straight in here with enough space to spare right there. Then I took out my dress up your purse mini pochette because I thought that this color goes so well with this one right there, and I haven't used this one in a while. This is exactly like the mini pochette. The only thing is that you can take off this chain if you like, but me and the noises. So in here, this is gonna be like my overflow things. I have a box of matches in there. Nope, I do not smoke. But the reason why I carry that, believe me, the times that I have been in birthday parties and people say, oh my God, we don't have matches to light up the candles, and Daisy has it. So I have some matches in there. I have some alcohol swabs. I also have floss. I have some tooth cleaning things. I have some soaps, little soap sheets. I have some mints, and I have my little note here that I always carry as a reminder. Nothing I have is because of luck or chance. It is all God's grace and favor. Something to remind me to stay humble, because if it wasn't for the Lord, I would not have nothing, not even air to breathe. So yeah, this is that one that I will be carrying with everything extra in my bag. Then we have, of course, my wallet. You know, I can't go anywhere without that. Then I have this little Victoria's Secret little wallet where I have gift cards. That's all I have in here, gift cards and gift cards. So that I will be taking with me. Then I have my other dress up your purse, which I also thought matches so beautifully. And in here I have my gift cards. And then I have my Brighton little coin pouch. As you see, it also matches beautifully and screams a summer. So in here I have my charging cord. I have a little cough drop and of course change in there. So coin pouch has stand the test of time. It's so good. The leather came out really, really good in that little pouch right there. Okay, and I still have space. She's getting a little heavy, but I still have space. And then I'm gonna throw in my AirPods, which I usually don't know where they're at, but today I have them. And so yeah, this is more or less the way I will be carrying her. And with all these things, she feels a little heavy, but not horribly heavy. Now I wanted to show you what I'm thinking, because you all know that I love to accessorize, and this is not an exception. I'm gonna be accessorizing, although she has enough with this. My opinion, and my opinion only, I think she needs a little bit of me, if I may. I found this beautiful little strawberry online on Amazon with a daisy, and then I found, of course, daisies in colorful, more or less the colors of every color there is in this bag. So I thought it was a perfect combination. So this right here, I'm gonna place it right here. Yep, just like that. As you can see, she is so cute with her little daisies. I think it looks adorable. All right, and I'm not gonna stop there. This bag, I'm gonna go all out. And then I'm thinking of doing this one right here, this beautiful, cute bubble little dog that I found on Amazon, and it has the little clip. I'll link everything down below, but I thought he was so perfect for this bag, and I'm gonna place him right on the other side right there. I think he's so cute, and he matches the strawberry. So that one right there. And then I'm not thinking of stopping there. I'm still have one more little thing that I want to put on her. And then I have this right here. This little tassel I had on another little charm that I had. So with this combination, I think it looks precious. But then I went to a store and I found this ducky, and he had to come home with me. He just had to. It has a little bit of water in there. He has his lifeguard on, ready for the summer. So he's got his little quacky feet. He's so cute. So I had to put this on her as well. And I put it on the clip, on the same clip, and she is, or he is, going right here. There we go. And that's where he's gonna live. I think it looks precious like that. So cute and so summery and so colorful. I know that when my granddaughter sees it, she's gonna love it. But I am a girly girl. I'm sorry. You can all say, oh, that is way too girly, or way like it might look like for a little girl, but I don't think so. I am in love. I love it, and I'm gonna wear it. And most likely I'll be wearing her without the strap, and I'll just put it inside just to have her, you know, in case I need to put the strap on her. So this is the way I will be carrying my new Takashi Murakami Speedy 25 in the multicolor. So that was the video of the full details of this precious bag. As I said in the video, I am madly in love with this, and this will be my everyday bag. This is not gonna be a going out bag or a special occasion bag. This will be my everyday bag from now on. So, because why not? We have to wear this bag. I want to have her tan, as I know it's gonna look so beautiful. I see the vintage bags and they look beautiful when they are brown color. So yes, this was the video of what I fit in my bag and details of this bag. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you stood until the end of this video, I thank you so much for watching, and I ask you that you give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And until the next video, don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up with me. God bless you and God keep you, and until next time, ciao.
So here we have the multicolor,
Takashi Murakami multicolor Nano Speedy.
okay, Takashi Murakami Nano Speedy, and this is a Louis Vuitton, a multicolor. Here we have a little bunny with roller skates, so cute.
He doesn't have roller skates. He just got diamond in his little feet.
Oh, okay. Well, we have a bow, like a little bow here, and here we have some flowers. Love the noise.
Okay.
And on the back here, we have this little animal balloon.
The bubble doggy.
The bubble doggy here, and then here we have another bubble doggy, and it's so cute. You want to hear the noise?
The noises.
And the noises.
Just shake the bag.
So that's what we have for the stuff. Inside we have
Absolutely nothing.
nothing. Hi.